Can you really run a website for just $1 a month? Not a fake demo. Not a coming soon page. I mean a real website. So, what can you actually get for $1 a month, and at what point does that $1 hosting start to fall short? Let's break it down. What does $1 hosting actually mean? First, let's clear something up. Cheap hosting doesn't mean a company is giving you an entire physical server for $1. Hosting providers use infrastructure designed to efficiently serve multiple websites and customers. So the real question isn't, how can hosting cost just $1? The better question is, what can you actually do with that $1? What can you actually host? For a small website, $1 hosting can be surprisingly useful. You could host a personal website, a portfolio, a landing page, a small blog, or even a basic business website. If your website doesn't get huge amounts of traffic or require heavy server-side processing, you may not need expensive infrastructure just to get started. For many simple websites, keeping things lightweight can be enough. But here's where things get interesting. Hosting isn't just about getting a website online. Your website needs storage. It needs processing power. If your application uses one, it may need a database. And as visitors interact with your website, they consume resources too. The more complex your website becomes, the more those resources start to matter. So while $1 hosting can be enough for some websites, it isn't going to be the right fit for everything. When does $1 hosting make sense? This is where low-cost hosting makes the most sense. Websites that are relatively lightweight. Websites with modest traffic. And projects that don't require unusual server configurations. Maybe you're starting your first website. Launching a portfolio. Testing a new idea. Or building a website for a small business. You don't necessarily need powerful infrastructure from day one. Start with what you actually need. Then upgrade when your website grows. What $1 hosting isn't designed for. But let's be realistic. A $1 hosting plan isn't designed to behave like a high-powered VPS. Large applications, heavy traffic, resource-intensive workloads, or projects that need deep server-level control can require a completely different hosting environment. And that's okay. Good hosting isn't about buying the biggest server you can afford. It's about choosing the right infrastructure for what you're building right now. And that's the idea behind affordable hosting at M2 Host. If you're just getting started, you don't necessarily need to spend a lot just to get your website online. Start small. Build your website. And scale when you actually need more. Check out M2 Host and see what you can build starting at just $1 a month.